In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide multiple fields all at once in Power BI. If you've ever built a report and ended up with a long list of columns you don't want end users to see, hiding them can make your fields pane much cleaner and easier to navigate. Power BI lets you hide a single field by opening the data pane on the right-clicking a field, and choosing Hide. That works fine for one or two items, but it quickly becomes tedious if you need to hide a lot of fields. Here's the faster approach. First, switch to the Model View. Model View is designed for managing your tables, relationships, and metadata, and it gives you bulk control over properties like hiding. On the data pane in Model View, use the search bar to find the fields you want to hide simultaneously. You can type keywords that match the data types or naming patterns you're targeting, such as date, ID, or anything consistent across the fields you want to clean up. This narrows the list so you don't have to hunt through every table. Once your search results show the fields you want, select them all by holding the Control key and clicking each one. Take a moment to verify you've highlighted only the fields you intend to hide. If you accidentally include something important, just Control-click it again to deselect it. Using this multi-select approach lets you act on many fields in one go. With your fields selected, look to the Properties pane. You'll see the option to hide. Depending on your version, this may appear as a hide toggle or a hide in report view setting. Turn that on, and Power BI will hide all selected fields from the report view at once. You'll still be able to use these fields for relationships, calculated columns, or measures behind the scenes. They're simply removed from sight in the fields list for report consumers and builders, which keeps your model tidy and focused. And that's it. You've transformed a repetitive, click-heavy task into a quick, reliable workflow. Remember, you can always reverse this later by selecting the fields again in Model View and turning off the Hide option. Use this technique whenever you import wide tables, expose only curated columns, or want to reduce confusion for teammates. It keeps your model clean without deleting any data or breaking your logic. Thanks for watching, and happy modeling in Power BI.